Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. So today we're gonna work on the Jeep again, right here, the YJ. As I'm starting to do more car content, I'm learning that things don't always go the way that you want them to. After installing the top, I accidentally broke it. When I was trying to adjust the top, I accidentally broke one of the plastic pieces on the frame. And in order to fix that, you have to replace the entire bar system of the frame. Luckily, I got this from Quadratec. It comes with a 3-year warranty. I called them right after it happened and they said, don't worry about it. We'll ship you a brand new one. Just package the old one up and ship it back with the shipping label that we send to you. So very happy with the way I was treated by Quadratec. But today we're gonna fix the Jeep and we're also gonna see another part that I planned on installing on the Jeep this week that I cannot do because there is a hitch welded to the frame. What we need to do now is take all the fabric off, remove the old bars, and replace them with the brand new bars that Quadratec sent over. Basically redoing more than half the installation than we did the other day. Here we go. Here's the frame that Quadratec sent over. And it's the entire setup. This is so nice. All I really need is this right here. This bar system. I'm gonna leave all the other nice stuff in here, ship this all back to Quadratec, include the other bars that I broke. We need to take the fabric off this so we can get the frame off of that, and then put this frame on there, package that up, send it to Quadratec, and then put the fabric back on the new frame. As you can see, I tried to keep the soft top intact so it would be easier to put everything back on. I just needed to get access to these bars. So you can see here's the system right here. It has this front area that goes up to the windshield and then has these bars right here. So I just need to back this out of the track, pull that out and replace it with a new one. I had to pull these little pins out right here. They were the stoppers to keep the railing from coming all the way out. One of these on each side. All right, here we go. Got the old railing system out. Here's that broken plastic piece right here. When you're sliding the railing in, there's a few things to look out for. First off is there's this little dip down here in the railing. Keep an eye on that. It likes to get caught in that. Make sure everything sits outside of your bars and then just slowly work it up evenly so it doesn't get pinched. Now we need to push the base of the frame until it clicks in up here on both sides. And then we can attach this railing to the windshield right there, and then we're good to put the fabric on after that. Pulled all the way up to the stopper, added that pin back here so that the frame can't slide back out of it. One of the things I'm trying differently this go around is buttoning up the top to the top of the door frame first, and then putting the top into the groove on top of the windshield. It's much easier so far. I did it on the other side. I'm gonna get this side on, get the top looped in, button everything up on the inside, and then make sure that everything is sealed on the outside, and the top should be on very shortly. Everything up here, buttoned up nice. Top's in the seam, everything's all buttoned up here along the side. So now we need to get it on the inside of the Jeep. And we need to get these things buttoned up here to the frame. Same thing on the back portion of the frame. Make sure everything is sealed around the bed, and then we'll lift up the frame to tighten everything and we should be good. All right, just like that, the frame is fixed. All right, so far so good. I'm cruising back roads right now, about 35 miles an hour. The noise really isn't that bad. I had it up to about 55 miles an hour earlier. You know, just the typical sounds that you would expect. A little bit of rattling, a little bit of wind noise, but nothing crazy. This definitely beats being beaten by the wind with no top on at all in the winter. Really happy with the way Quadratec treated me. Again, if I had it all to do it all over again, I probably would have gone with a hard top instead of a soft top. But at the end of the day, still not that bad. So what's up next is a rear bumper. So if you look back here, I still have the original bumper on this thing. And whoever had this before my family did, welded this tow hitch mount to it. So what I thought was gonna be an easy rear bumper install ends up that there's welding here. They even have this wrapped around and welded to the frame back here. So there's gonna be a little bit more surgery involved, but stay tuned. I hope you enjoyed the video, but it just goes to show when you think you have everything taken care of for your video and everything is gonna be set up perfectly and everything's gonna go smoothly, something's gonna break and you're gonna have to fix it. Thanks again for watching. Please subscribe, like, and I'll see you in the next video.